Which lunchbox is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, LifeWit Medium Lunch Bag. First up, we have the LifeWit Medium Lunch Bag. Priced at just $7.99, this lunchbox caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want something that keeps your food fresh and is easy to carry, this is worth a serious look. The LifeWit lunch bag is designed with thermal insulation, meaning it keeps your meals hot or cold for over 4.5 hours. Imagine heading to work with a hot lunch or a chilled drink. It holds up to 9 liters, which is enough for 12 cans, perfect for a day out. Plus, it's leak-proof, so you won't have to worry about spills ruining your day. Now here's why this matters for you. The exterior is made of water-resistant fabric, making it durable and easy to clean. With strong zippers and a handy adjustable shoulder strap, it's not just functional but also portable. Many users rave about its spacious design and how it fits seamlessly into their daily routines. But I'll be real with you, some users mentioned that it can feel a bit bulky when filled to the brim. Here's the thing though, if you tend to pack a lot for your day, that bulkiness might actually work in your favor, keeping everything organized and secure. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and spacious lunch bag for work or outings. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra slim or if you pack very light. For its price, it offers great value. Now, if the LifeWit's bulkiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, MIYCOO Lunch Bag. Next up, we have the MIYCOO Lunch Bag, priced at $22.99. This double-deck beauty immediately caught my eye with its unique design. If you want to keep your food organized and fresh, this is definitely worth considering. The MIYCOO bag boasts a large capacity of 15 liters, which allows you to separate different food types, no more squashed sandwiches. It features a thickened PVA liner that keeps your meals cold or warm for up to 7 hours, so you can enjoy lunch just the way you like it. This is especially useful if you're on a long day at work or out for a picnic. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its leak-proof design prevents any messy situations, and the easy-to-clean interior means you won't spend hours scrubbing after use. Reviewers have praised its practicality, especially for beach trips or camping outings. However, some users did mention that the zippers feel a bit flimsy. Now here's my take. While it's a valid concern, as long as you're careful with them, you should be fine, especially given how functional the bag is overall. This is perfect for you if you enjoy outdoor activities or need a reliable lunch bag for work. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler one-layer design. The price reflects its quality, making it a solid choice for the value-conscious. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who really need maximum capacity. Product number 3, LifeWit Large Lunch Bag. Now let's talk about the LifeWit Large Lunch Bag, retailing at $18.96. Right away, its large capacity caught my attention, 20 liters. If you need a bag that can hold a lot, this is definitely worth a serious look. This lunch bag can accommodate up to 32 cans, which means it's not just for lunch, it's perfect for a full day out or a road trip. The thermal insulation keeps your food at the right temperature for over 5.5 hours, ensuring freshness no matter where you are. The durable exterior is designed to be dirt-proof and water-resistant, making it easy to maintain. Here's why this matters. The spacious design allows for flexibility. You can pack sandwiches, salads, snacks, and even drinks without cramming them in. Plus, the zippers are made to last, minimizing the risk of breakage over time. Many buyers have loved how it performs during outdoor activities, especially during picnics. However, I did notice some complaints about the lack of a shoulder strap. Now I get it, this could be a deal breaker for some, especially if you're used to hands-free carrying. But if you rarely need that feature, this bag's functionality could outweigh that downside. This is ideal for you if you're the type who likes to pack for the whole day. Skip this if you're looking for something more compact. For the price, it's a great bang for your buck. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more stylish yet still functional, our next pick might just be for you. Product number 4, HOTOR Insulated Lunch Box. Next is the HOTOR insulated lunchbox priced at just $7.98. I was really impressed by its compact design and sleek look. If you want a stylish yet practical lunch bag, this one is worth checking out. The HOTOR lunch bag features a 3-layer insulation system, which means it can keep your meals cool for up to 7 hours or warm for up to 6 hours. This is essential for anyone who wants their food at the perfect temperature throughout the day. It also has multiple pockets for organized storage, making it easy to find what you need without digging through everything. Here's why this matters. Its leak-proof design means you won't have to worry about spills ruining your day. The high-quality materials used ensure that it's durable enough for daily use, and the adjustable strap lets you carry it comfortably. Many users have praised how convenient it is for work and outdoor events. Now, I did see some complaints about the size being a bit small for larger meals. But here's the thing. If you're someone who prefers lighter meals or snacks, this bag is perfect. It's designed to be portable and easy to carry. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable bag for daily work lunches or small outings. Skip this one if you tend to pack large meals. For its price, you really can't go wrong. Lastly, if you're looking for something versatile that fits a variety of needs, check out our final option. Product number 5, Femuar Reusable Lunch Box. Finally, we have the Femuar Reusable Lunch Box, which is priced at $7.99. This lunch bag immediately caught my attention with its stylish design and numerous features. If you want a lunch box that combines style with functionality, this is definitely worth a look. This insulated bag can keep your food fresh for over 6 hours, thanks to its thick waterproof lining and insulation. With a capacity of 8.7 liters, it's spacious enough for a full meal. Think sandwiches, drinks, and snacks. What's great is its multiple compartments, allowing for organized packing, which is especially helpful if you're on the go. Here's why this matters. The easy-to-clean material means you won't spend ages scrubbing it after use. Reviewers love how lightweight it is, making it perfect for daily commutes or picnics. However, some users noted that the zippers can be a bit stiff. I get it, this could be frustrating, especially if you're in a hurry. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the bag's advantages outweigh this minor flaw. This is great for you if you value both style and functionality in a lunch bag. Skip this if you prefer a larger capacity. For the price, it's a solid investment. In conclusion, we've explored some fantastic options when it comes to lunch boxes for men. Each bag serves a unique purpose, from the spacious LifeWit bags to the sleek HOTOR and Femuar options. Choose based on your specific needs and you can't go wrong. So there you have it, the LifeWit medium and large lunch bags for those who need space, the MIYCOO for organization, the HOTOR for style, and the Femuar for versatility. Whatever your lunch needs, one of these options is bound to meet them perfectly. Happy packing!